25 survival tools, 1 video, and I saved the absolute best one for last. Trust me, you've never seen anything like it. Whether you're a camper, a prepper, an overlander, or just someone who refuses to be caught off guard, this list was made for you. We're counting down from 25 to 1, and every single product on this list is something I would personally carry. Let's get into it. You need two-way satellite messaging and professional-grade GPS navigation in one rugged unit. The Garmin GPSMAP 67i connects via the Iridium satellite network, 100% global coverage for two-way messaging and interactive SOS to a 24/7 staffed emergency response center. Active subscription required. The 3-inch sunlight-readable display shows preloaded topo-active maps and satellite imagery. Multi-band GNSS support beats single-band accuracy. Battery life hits 165 hours in 10-minute tracking mode, or 425 hours in expedition mode with 30-minute intervals. Connects to your phone for live weather. If the Zoleo is the communicator, this is the navigator. You want both. Your multi-tool breaks at the worst possible moment, and it's cheap steel that failed you. The Gerber Suspension NXT is a 15-in-1 stainless steel multi-tool with needle nose pliers, wire stripper, 3 flathead drivers, 2 cross drivers, awl, nail file, scissors, can opener, bottle opener, 2.25-inch partially serrated blade, lanyard point, and pocket clip. Weighs 6.7 ounces, measures 4.25 inches closed, butterfly opening with a tool lock so nothing slips while you're working. Gerber backs it with a limited lifetime warranty. This is the everyday carry tool that stays in your pocket whether you're at camp or at work. You're in a car accident, underwater, seatbelt jammed, window won't open. The Nedfoss FA49 pocket knife has a glass breaker and a seatbelt cutter built in alongside a 3.5-inch 7CR17 stainless steel blade hardened to 57 HRC. One-handed deployment with a thumb stub. Liner lock prevents accidental closing under pressure. Bottle opener built in for camp use. Weighs 220 grams. Clip carry for instant access. This is the knife that lives in your car door pocket, not your pack. Because some emergencies happen before you can reach your bag. Keep it within arm's reach, always. Something moves outside your tent at 3 a.m. in bear country. You heard it, but you didn't see it. The Outdoor Guardian's early warning system uses 24G millimeter wave radar, not heat sensors, to detect motion through rain, fog, and complete darkness with virtually 0 false alarms from wind or falling leaves. 3 sensitivity levels, 1 meter, 3-5 meters, or 8 to 10 meters. Wireless range of 100 meters in open terrain. Receiver alerts you via sound and vibration. IPX5 weather-resistant sensors, up to 30 hours of battery life. Sensors recharge inside the hub automatically. Set your perimeter. Sleep. Wake up only when it matters. You need one tool that can wrench a fire hydrant, hammer, chop, pry, turn off a gas line, and cut wood in an emergency right now. The BV TAC 8 is an 8-in-1 multi-tool made 100% in America from S7 tool steel. Heat-treated, tempered, and Cerakoted for unmatched abrasion and chemical resistance. 17 inches long, 3 pounds. Hydrant wrench, spanner wrench, hammer, axe blade, pry bar, 7/16 wrench, 5/16 wrench, gas turnoff, add-on shovel, pick, hoe, and bow saw available separately. Featured on Surviving Man Season 4. Built for law enforcement, firefighters, and survivalists. This tool does not compromise, neither should you. You're 6 miles from the nearest road and you've just opened a deep laceration. You don't have stitches. You have the Survive X Zip Stitch Wound Closure. Align the skin edges in 3 dimensions. Zip, secure, no needles, no skin penetration, no infection risk from puncture wounds. Designed for children and the elderly. Painless application, superior cosmetic outcomes, and significantly less scarring than traditional sutures. Strong enough to hold the wound closed, clean enough to release without residue. FSA and HSA eligible. This is the wound closure that should be in every first aid kit, every bug-out bag, and every car, no exceptions. You need a fixed blade that will not fail you in the woods. Not a fancy show knife, a real working blade. The Morakniv Lock Black Blade is built from 3.2mm thick recycled Swedish stainless steel, with a black PC coating that protects the edge and looks purpose-built for hard use. The handle is crafted from FSC-certified European Ashwood, full-bodied with a finger guard for real grip security. Comes with a vegetable tanned leather sheath with a belt loop, compatible with the Morakniv Dangler 10 system. This is a Scandinavian working knife from a brand with over 130 years of blade history. It earns its place. Your survival bracelet is just a bracelet. This one is a survival system on your wrist. The Titan Survivor Cord Paracord bracelet is built from patented Survivor cord, 550-pound rated paracord braided with a 25-pound fishing line, 110-pound Kevlar thread, and waxed jute fire tinder that catches a spark even in a downpour. That jute ignites in wet conditions. The Kevlar is heat-resistant. The fishing line deploys from the bracelet instantly. 3 life-saving tools hidden inside what looks like a simple cord. Veteran-owned company, lifetime warranty. You're wearing it anyway, it might as well keep you alive. If this list is hitting different, go subscribe right now. We drop survival gear content every single week. Hit the bell, you won't miss a thing. Back to the countdown. Your lighter just drowned. Your matches are soaked. It's 34 degrees and dropping. The Wolf and Grizzly fire set uses a ferrocerium rod engineered to last 20,000 strikes and generate sparks at 5,400 degrees Fahrenheit on every single hit. Not sometimes, every time. The striker is premium knife steel, sharpenable, rebuildable, built to outlast any matchbox or lighter ever made. Custom 550 paracord lanyard has jute tinder woven directly inside it. Cut it open and you have dry fire fuel ready to catch those sparks. No batteries, no fuel to run out, no failure points. This is your backup fire source that never quits. You're deep in the bush, you need a machete, a saw, a hatchet, an axe, and a fire tool, and you can only carry one blade. The Omni Blade Machete is a 5-in-1 heavy-duty tool built in partnership with a US-based manufacturer with the industry's broadest portfolio of edge tools. One large-scale blade system that adapts to every cutting task you'll face in real backcountry. Designed by 2 brothers who put this tool through actual survival testing in the South Carolina backcountry and documented every second of it. This is not mass-produced, this is purpose-engineered. One blade, every need, handled. An accident happens, someone is trapped. Seatbelt locked, glass intact. Every second counts. The Leatherman Raptor Rescue Shear is what emergency professionals carry. Carbide glass breaker shatters car windshields. Strap and ring cutter for rescue situations. Heavy-duty trauma shears built for one-handed access. Locks when holstered so you wear it upside down on your belt and draw it in one motion. Made in Portland, Oregon. Backed by Leatherman's 25-year warranty. Designed with direct input from paramedics and first responders. Carry this in your car. Keep it on your belt. When someone's life depends on 3 seconds, this is what buys those seconds. You want a camping experience unlike anything you've ever had. A 2-story air tent with exposed air beams, removable fabric panels, and a modular design that adapts from open-air breeze to fully enclosed winter retreat. Xeno Nest is 100% handmade with the world's first tension control frame, 18 centimeter thick air beams, dual-layer mesh and skin fabric system for all-season use. Fabric panels zip off for drying or ventilation. No hidden mold problems, no complicated repairs. Only 50 full sets are being produced for this campaign across 6 countries. This isn't a tent, this is a base camp, and it sells out fast. Your wallet already goes everywhere with you. Why isn't it carrying 20 tools? The NexTool credit card Multitool is exactly the size of a credit card, 85 by 52 by 7 millimeters, and contains needle nose pliers, wire cutters, a knife, screwdrivers, 6 hex spanners from 3 millimeter to 8 millimeters, a wire stripper, a bottle opener, a spoke wrench, and a ruler. Built from 420 J2 stainless steel with titanium plating and circuit board texture detailing, weighs 91 grams, comes in a premium leather case that slides into any wallet slot. This is the tool you actually have on you when something goes wrong, that matters more than the tool at home. Your phone, laptop, and tablet are broadcasting your location, your data, and your identity, right now without you knowing it. The Mission Darkness Odin Guard Faraday backpack has 3 removable Valkyrie Faraday sleeves that block Wi-Fi at 2.4 and 5 GHz. Bluetooth, all cellular signals including 5G, GPS, RFID, and radio signals from low megahertz all the way to 40 GHz. Military-grade RF shielding. Mallet webbing on the front and sides for gear customization, padded shoulder straps, waistband, and hidden rain cover, used by law enforcement and military for forensic evidence collection. The moment you put your device in this bag, you disappear. In some situations, that's the most important thing. You're drinking from a stream because you have no choice. You have no idea what's in it. The Lifestraw Peak Solo removes 99.999999% of bacteria, including E. coli and Salmonella, 99.999% of parasites including Giardia and Cryptosporidium, and 99.999% of microplastics. That's 8 nines of bacterial protection. Flow rate hits 3 liters per minute. Fill a 1-liter bottle in 20 seconds, weighs 1.7 ounces. Standard 28mm threads screw onto most water bottles. Membrane microfilter lasts up to 2,000 liters. And for every unit purchased, a child in need receives safe drinking water for an entire year. This one is non-negotiable. No fuel, no fire, no power grid. You still need to boil water. The 4 Patriot Sun Kettle uses solar energy to heat 16.9 ounces of water to 212 degrees Fahrenheit in approximately 45 minutes. No gas, no smoke, no electricity. The parabolic reflector traps sunlight and focuses it directly on the tempered glass tube, shatter-resistant, durable ABS plastic exterior, weighs 2.65 pounds, fits in a backpack or bug-out bag, works in a no-burn zone where campfires are banned. In a long-term grid-down scenario, this is how you purify water indefinitely with 0 consumables. The sun doesn't run out of fuel, remember that. Your lantern is bulky, heavy, and eats batteries. The Nest Out Lamp 1 is a dimmable USB-powered LED lantern that outputs 10 to 350 lumens with stepless adjustment, so you dial in exactly the light you need, no clicking through presets. IP44 water and dust resistant, comes with a mini tripod that doubles as a stand and has a carabiner loop for hanging inside tents or from trees. Won the IF Design Gold Award, given only to products that exemplify innovation and coherent design. Designed exclusively for the Nest Out outdoor battery system. Compact, elegant, built to last. This is what quality looks like. Your rugged phone is dead after 1 day in the field. The Oukitel WP100 Titan carries a 33,000 mAh battery. That's 289 hours of calling time, 49 hours of video, and 4,459 hours of standby. MIL-S STD810H rated, IP68 and IP69K certified. 6.8-inch 120Hz display, 200 MP main camera, 20 MP night vision camera with infrared fill light. Runs Android 14, upgradable to 15. Built-in projector function, 66W fast charging from 0 to full in 4.5 hours. Operates from -20 to 55 degrees Celsius. This is not a phone that happens to be rugged. This is a survival tool that happens to make calls. You reach for your knife in a real situation and it fails because it wasn't built for real situations. The CRKT Clever Girl is a fixed blade with a powder-coated SK5 steel blade, the same steel used in tools designed for serious cutting performance. Upswept blade design for superior slicing. Textured nylon handle grips in wet hands, cold hands, gloved hands. Mallet-compatible sheath attaches to any tactical pack or vest instantly. Fixed blade means no pivot point to fail, no folder mechanism to jam with debris. This knife draws clean and cuts clean every single time. That's what you need when it matters. It's pouring rain. Your matches are useless. Your lighter is empty. You have one option left. The Lifesystems Stormproof matches are wind and waterproof. Each match burns for 20 seconds, not 3, not 5, 20. The container is waterproof. 3 strike panels included. Longer match length keeps your fingers safe. 25 matches per container with a refill pack available. Recommended for the Duke of Edinburgh's Award, one of the most demanding youth survival programs in the world. These are your last resort fire-starting option when everything else has failed. 20 seconds per match. That's long enough to catch any tinder, anytime, anywhere. You're scanning a hillside at noon. Glare and reflection are blinding you. You're missing everything. The Steiner BluHorizons 10x42 binoculars use auto-bright technology to automatically optimize light transmission for maximum clarity in bright conditions. No glare from water, sand, snow, or sky. 10x magnification. 42mm lens, field of view of 100 meters at 1,000 meters distance. Fast, close-focus central wheel, goes from close-up to infinity in minimal rotation. Operates from -20 to +70 degrees Celsius. NBR rubber armoring resists oil, acid, and weather. Steiner has been manufacturing optical equipment for militaries and professionals for over 70 years. See everything, miss nothing. The power goes out, no phone signal, no internet, no idea what's happening. The Sangean MMR-99 emergency radio picks up AM, FM, and all 7 NOAA weather channels with a public alert feature for emergency broadcasts. 45 station presets. Hand crank, solar, and USB-C charging, 3 independent power sources so it never dies. Adjustable LED flashlight with high, low, wide, focused, blinking SOS and Morse code modes. Red light mode preserves night vision. USB-A output charges smaller devices from the radio itself. IP55 rated for dust and water resistance. Bluetooth input, AOGES input. This radio works when the grid doesn't. It should be in every home, every car, every go bag, full stop. You're working in the dark with both hands occupied and a flashlight strapped to your head that maxes out at 400 lumens. Someone else pulls out this. The NEBO Transcend 3K headlamp outputs 3000 lumens on turbo mode with a 243-yard beam and runs for 45 hours on low mode. 5 modes total. IPX7 waterproof to 1 meter for 30 minutes. 4000 mAh lithium-ion battery rechargeable via USB-C. The light detaches from the headband and converts to a standalone work light with a magnetic base, hard hat compatible with included clips. Anodized aircraft-grade aluminum construction. 3000 lumens. 45 hours. 1 headlamp. I cannot find a single flaw. You're building a shelter, rigging a tarp, setting a snare, and lashing a splint, and your cord just snapped under load. The Gadget 550 Paracord is 532-inch diameter with a 9-strand inner core, each strand containing 3 yarns, for a static strength rating of 550 pounds. That's military specification Type 3 paracord, trusted by military forces and outdoor enthusiasts worldwide. 100 feet per roll. The inner strands strip out for fishing line, sutures, or tripwire. The sheath holds gear together. This is the most versatile material in survival. You can build almost anything from it. At this price point, there is no reason not to have 100 feet of it on you right now. You're in the field. Something goes catastrophically wrong. Someone is bleeding out. You have 1 minute. The Nar Raid Kit V2 is a military-grade individual first aid kit designed specifically to address the leading causes of potentially preventable death in a tactical environment: arterial bleeding, tension pneumothorax, and penetrating wounds. 1 black CAT combat application tourniquet. 2 NAR rolled gauze pads. 1 4-inch ETD emergency trauma dressing. 1 vent compact twin pack chest seal. Nitrile gloves, trauma shears. The Shaw Concepts Raid V2 pouch wears like a fanny pack, drops away instantly for self-aid, and hands off cleanly for buddy aid. The first spear tube reattachment system means it goes back on in seconds. This is not a first aid kit. This is the difference between a fatality and a survivor. Get trained. Carry this every single day. 40 tools, 1 list. And everything on it is something I would stake my life on, because some of them exist precisely for that. Which one are you buying first? Tell me in the comments. And if you want more gear content like this every single week, subscribe and hit the bell. We are just getting started. Stay ready, stay alive. See you in the next one.